الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا سيد يا سند يا سمد يا من له المستند، اجعل لي فرجا ومخرجا مما أنا فيه، واكفني فيه وأعوذ بك بسم الله السلام. يا الله يا الله يا الله، يا رحمن يا رحمن يا رحمن، يا رحيم يا رحيم يا رحيم، يا خالق يا رازق يا
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today, the first Shab-e Jummah of Rajab, that is called as Laylatul Raghaib. So today there are Amal of Laylatul Raghaib. So we are going to discuss about Amal Laylatul Raghaib, how to perform Amal Laylatul Raghaib. So there is a namaz for 12 rakats, and from 2 rakats we have to perform 6 times. So that like it will become 12 rakats. In each rakat we have to recite Surah Al-Hamd, and then we have to recite 3 times Surah Qadr, and then 12 times Surah Qul Huwallah, Surah Tawheed. So these things we have to do in every rakat, and like this we have to perform this namaz, the Amal of Laylatul Raghaib. And after this there are some duas which we have to recite. So these are the duas which we have to recite. And now we are going to move to our next topic, which is the birth of Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam.
बाकिर भी एक फूल है सहने बुतूल का, जिसकी रगों में खून अली और रसूल का, मुश्किल कुशा जहां में वो हर दिल मलूल का, नस्ले अबू जहल का इसी से कताल है, वो कमाल है वो बेमिसाल है, जो फूल फातिमा का है वो लाजवाल है.
So today the birth of Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam, our 5th Imam. So we present a very happy wishes of the birth of Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam to all and to our Imam Zamana alayhi salam. So as I have told that today is the birth of Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam, who is our 5th Imam. So first we will discuss some basic things about Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam. So as I have told, he is the 5th Imam, and he is born on 1st Rajab 57 Hijri in Medina. Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam was born on 1st Rajab 57 Hijri in Medina, and his name was Muhammad. His name was Muhammad, and his kunyat was Abu Ja'far. His kunyat was Abu Ja'far, and his titles were Baqir, Shaqir, and Hadi. So the most famous title is Baqir. That's why he is called Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam. So this was the basic information about Imam Muhammad Baqir. And his father is our 4th Imam, Imam Zainul Abidin alayhi salam. And mother is Fatima binte Imam Hassan alayhi salam. So here Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam's mother is the daughter of Imam Hassan alayhi salam, and the father is the son of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. So Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam is our 5th Imam, and he was on the post of Imamat for 19 years, from 95 Hijri to 114 Hijri, and his total age is 57 years. So now this was the basic information about Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam. Who was Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam? So now we are going towards the fazail, the virtues of Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam. So when the time of wafat of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came near, Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told Hazrat Jabir ibn Abdullah that my fifth assistant who will come, he would be named Baqir. So he told that give my salam to him, to Hazrat Jabir ibn Abdullah. He was a Sahabi Rasul. So he told him that my fifth assistant will come, who will be Baqir. So give my salam to him. So he told him. So now Jabir ibn Abdullah Ansari used to go in the streets and everywhere, and he shouted, Ya Baqir, Ya Baqir. And he tried to find him from many years. And the people who were in Medina, they thought that he's gone mad. So he used to come on the streets and he used to shout, Ya Baqir, Ya Baqir. And he wanted to find him. So one day when Imam Zainul Abidin alayhi salam was sitting with Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam, he came and then Imam asked, are you searching for somebody? Then he told that yes, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had told me that his fifth assistant will come, whose name will be Baqir. So he told me to give his salam to him. So now Imam Zainul Abidin alayhi salam said to Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam, Baqir, do salam to Uncle Jabir. So then he did salam, and then Imam Zainul Abidin told that he is Baqir and he is the fifth assistant of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So now Jabir looked at him and then he said, stand. So Imam Baqir alayhi salam stand. Then he told sit, then he sit, and then when he told him to walk, then he walked. So now he told that now I got to know that you are Baqir, Imam Muhammad Baqir, because as Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had told about you, you are same like that. So then Prophet Muhammad Baqir Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam is the Imam for whom Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had sent salam, the message of salam to Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam from Hazrat Jabir ibn Abdullah. So he sent his salam to Prophet Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam. And also the Ziyarat Ashura, which we recite, is also known by, he taught the Ziyarat Ashura to the peoples. So it is known by Prophet Muhammad, Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam. He taught the Ziyarat Ashura. So these were the fazail of Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam. So I hope you all have liked this video. And if you all have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel Zikr-e Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikr-e Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.